My brother Sam and I are going to make a fresh Indian style green apple chutney. We will need green apples, a lemon, ginger, green chili, garlic, fresh coriander, mint, fruit chut spice mix, and salt. Crush or chop 1 clove of garlic. Peel a 2 cm piece of ginger and chop it into smaller pieces. Juice the lemon. Pick 10 mint leaves from their stalks. Instead of using fresh mint, we used a bag of semi-dried mint. Remove the seeds from the chili and chop it into pieces. Chop 1/3 of a bunch of fresh coriander. Use the stalks as well as the leaves. The stalks have the most flavour. Remove the cores from the 2 apples and chop them into large chunks. Put the apple pieces in a food processor or blender. Pour over the lemon juice. Add the coriander, garlic, ginger, mint leaves and chili. Put the lid on and puree the mixture. We had to do ours in batches because we couldn't fit everything in all at once. Put the puree into a bowl. Add a 1/4 teaspoon salt and sprinkle over 1/2 teaspoon fruit chut spice mixture. Stir everything well. Cover the bowl and let it stand in the fridge for a few hours before serving. This green apple chutney makes a good dip for spicy finger foods like samosas, pakoras or chicken tikka. It's also great on a cheese platter. It will last in the fridge for a few days.